Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got 2 days worth of growth and I'm ready to shave it off. Today's shave soap is by Razorock, which you can get this on Italian Barber. This is Puros, and if you're not familiar with the scent, it is a premium cigar tobacco leaf scent, a cured tobacco scent. And I have that whipped up already in the Captain's Choice copper bowl. Look at the lather. Ooh. Nice. I think the Razorock soaps are often overlooked because of the price point. I know that some of the scents for me has been hit or miss, but the ones that were a hit were very nice. And I guess that's just one of those things that you got to try them out sometimes. Scent descriptions can be, a little vague or misleading sometimes, but if you know kind of the scent that you're after or what you like, I just say be safe and stick with those. All right, so the razor for today is the Blackland Blackbird, and this one is the brass one. You can see I haven't polished it in a while. It's starting to tarnish a little bit. And I did notice I must have dropped the handle. I've got a little ding right here, but you can't see it. And I have a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade loaded in it today. I've got a bowl full of warm water here. I'm going to warm that up and get shaving with pass number 1 with the grain. I did an update on my phone. And you know how that goes. I shouldn't have done it, but it's the iOS 18. And they have made some changes. And one of the things that I can see on my screen, because I'm just now doing a video with it since the update a few days ago, is it looks like, and I'm not going to try it right now, but it appears that they added a pause button, which is nice because I've often wanted to pause a video and do something and come back or move around to get another shot, and you were unable to do it before. You had to stop and then hopefully remember to start the video again. So I'm gonna have to test that feature out. That may be something that Android has had for a while. Because for me, when it comes down to the editing part, if I split the video up, it just makes for, sometimes you'll see like a little glitch. Or sometimes, more importantly, I will forget to hit the record button again. And then that leaves the video unusable, because when you're shaving you can't just come back and start over after you've already completed the shave. All right, get lathered up here for pass number 2. I don't know if I even mentioned I'm using a Trotters Handcrafts Badger brush, 26 millimeter in the Manchurian T1 knot. Very nice. And this particular one is my original one that I purchased, and that was before the coins. And I think he has changed some coins around, and then he's going back to the no coins. And it's just one of those things when you're an artisan. You got to change things up every once in a while. Still have a few videos on the back burner that I've been thinking about doing. And I think I just need to commit to making the video. Because I've been thinking about them way too long. The razor and blade combo, excellent. The soap, you know, it's not top-notch Artisan soap, but it's a decent all-around soap. Like I said, I think if I remember right, it was like $14.99, and then they often do sales where they drop the prices down, and it's nice to be able to take advantage of the price savings. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Nice. And I do have the matching aftershave splash. I'm gonna give that a shake here. Oh yes, what a nice scent. Comment below and let me know if you have tried this particular set and what you liked about it or disliked about it. I don't really like the aluminum cap. All right, apply a little star jelly here for some post-shave action. Nice. All right, well, I will put a little picture right here of everything I used today, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.